Hey everyone, if you're new to this channel, thank you so much for coming, and be sure to subscribe as we're posting new videos all the time. You guys, make sure that you like this video. Let's try to get to 1,000 likes, and please check out our Patreon page. The link is below. So, I bought some of this awesome fluffy slime off Amazon using Amazon Prime Day. Did anybody else out there go crazy on Amazon Prime Day? Did you get your stuff super fast at all? Or, I don't know, what'd you guys get? Make sure that you guys comment below. So I thought I would try this fluffy slime and also make my own homemade fluffy slime in comparison. So first we're gonna open this up, and honestly you guys, this stuff is pretty awesome, but I have one complaint, which is how sticky and stuck this gets to the lid. So like the tinfoil piece at the front here, or the top, and the container. Has anybody else bought this stuff? Does anybody else have this comment or complaint? I don't know, I felt like 50% of the slime was stuck and I couldn't even get it out. So let me know what you guys think. This stuff is super duper cool. As you can see, it's really stretchy and it feels really smooth. It is quite hard to get out, so that's, like I said, my one sort of comment regarding this, but this stuff is really neat. It's super smooth and stretchy, and yeah, I actually don't even know if I would call this a fluffy slime. It's not really super fluffy, I guess I would say, but it definitely is pretty cool to play with. So getting the pink out was quite challenging, and a lot of pink actually spilled over into the blue and the purple, so that one ends up being the smallest color, which is unfortunate. Obviously I would have liked to have had more pink, so again, super stuck to the container, and a lot of that spilled over into the other colors, so yeah, something to note there. Awesome blue color, again a little bit of spilling over from the other colors, so I'm just going to mix it up, but very happy with this blue, and of course the feeling is amazing. So super soft, super stretchy. I really kind of think that there's some sort of like model magic in here or something like that. It doesn't really feel like shaving cream, but it definitely feels like something sort of model magic-y. I tried taking out this centerpiece. I personally thought I could, just because look at all that slime in there, and I really did spend a lot of time sort of digging around and trying to get a lot of slime out. So this stuff really gets stuck to the container a lot. I felt like almost half of my slime sort of like wasted in the container, and I mean you could spend a lot of time sort of scratching the outside, but it's tricky. So yeah, that's my one comment in regards to that. So I'm going to make my own DIY fluffy slime, and we're going to see which one I prefer. So I am going to use the shaving cream technique, so let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Which do you prefer? All finished up here. Pretty happy with how this is. Super duper fluffy, of course, and totally awesome. So what I'm going to do now is add the color, and this is where I can't really compare the slime I bought. So I will add color, but I have to add so much blue color into it to the intensity of the stuff I bought. how this turned out. Super fluffy. You guys can see all those little bubbles, which means there's lots of air in there. Those figure frames, so cool. And obviously the colors are not as intense, but I'm actually pretty happy with how it turned out. So here we go. Let's compare directly. So the biggest difference that I notice when I feel the stuff that I bought and the stuff that I made is that my stuff is definitely a lot fluffier. As you can see, it's sort of like pillow-like and stretchier. So the other stuff, I don't even know how to describe it. Maybe it's more of like a silly putty versus the slime. You can see how it probably would last longer, like there's definitely something in there that would, help it sort of last a long time, which is probably what you want when you purchase something off the internet versus making it. So, but in terms of making your own fluffy slime, I definitely would recommend making it. So obviously, it should be fun for a while. You guys put it in a container and cover up. And again, I'm pretty disappointed with how much slime actually came in the container. So again, making your own slime would obviously ensure that you could make as much as you wanted. So just to sum up, you guys, I'm definitely happy with the stuff that I bought, but honestly, for the price that you would pay to buy something off the internet, when you can just make it and make more of it and be happier with the texture and all that, I definitely would recommend just making your own fluffy slime. And look at this cool stuff. It's so fluffy and poofy, and there's no way I could do this with the stuff that I bought, so I'm pretty happy with the stuff I made. Alright, you guys, make sure you comment below on which you thought was the better slime. Thanks, everyone!